Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make gluten-free buckwheat super healthy crepes. Now leave in the comments below if you love crepes and what kind of crepes. Maybe you have like some interesting recipes. I would love to hear from you. So before I'll start, I'd like to mention that buckwheat is one of the superfoods. It's very healthy, very nutritious, and I'll link in the description some of the best products that I'm using as well and some of the benefits of the buckwheat. So let's get started. Okay, so the crepe recipe is very easy. We will need just 5 ingredients. So we need buckwheat flour. I will link in the description where you can find the buckwheat flour. Plant-based milk. Here I have the almond milk. You can check my videos as well how to make homemade almond milk or any nut milk. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have here the cane sugar, but you can use coconut sugar or any other sugar, or even the 0-calorie sugar as well. 1 egg and about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using the sunflower because it doesn't have any like flavors or taste to it, so I just love it. Or you can use as well the coconut oil. So these are the ingredients, and let's get started with the crepes. So in one bowl, in a larger bowl, mix the dry ingredients, so basically the flour and the sugar. Just give it a light mix. And in another bowl, mix the wet ingredients. So the oil, the egg and the milk. And just mix it well until everything is incorporated. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix it well until all the lumps are removed. So it will take you about 2 to 3 minutes. So after the mixture is well incorporated and there are no lumps, just let it sit for about 5 minutes. In a non-stick frying pan, add just a few drops of oil, and with a paper towel, just remove the excess of the oil and keep it on the side because we will use it later on for the next crepes. So on the low heat, just warm up slightly the pan, and with a measuring cup, I have half a cup here, so pour the mixture from the top, just lightly guiding with the pan. And with a circular move, just spread all the mixture around. You know when the pancake is ready, when all the surface is dry and the edges will start to become crispy. So to flip the pancake, use a knife or a spatula. Carefully grab it by the edges and flip it just like this around. You can serve your pancakes with any topping you want, but my favorite one is peanut butter and banana. So I'm just spreading just like this the peanut butter, add some bananas, and I have a delicious, healthy dessert full of nutrients, and yeah, I just love it. So this was my recipe of healthy yet delicious crepes. These crepes are so delicious that you cannot even spot the difference between the real ones. But the only one difference here is that they are very healthy and very consistent. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday new interesting, healthy and easy recipe. Thank you very much for watching. See you the next time.